Well, son, I've got your inheritance right here, and I'm going to share this knowledge that was passed down to me from my father and from his father before him, and so on, into the annals of history. How to wipe your ass with a single square of toilet paper. You know, it's best to have single ply, but in this case, I think I've got some triple ply here. Shh, don't tell anyone. I mean, you could peel it apart and turn the single square into 3 squares, of course. So maybe we do that. We're really going to make it last. So instead of a couple of years, now we've got about a decade worth of toilet paper here. Be sure to teach your son, your daughter, your family, and everyone to ensure that everyone has enough toilet paper to last them. We don't know when we're going to get any more. It could be decades. Step 1, fold your square of toilet paper into quarters. Step 2, take the corner of it and rip. So now you've got a little piece here and your square of toilet paper here. Okay, we're conserving toilet paper, so don't lose this, okay? Just go ahead and set it aside in a safe place. Now here's what you're going to do. You're going to take your finger, you're going to put it through there. You're going to have it like this. And that's your technique out back, okay? This is the squeegee. And you're going to squeegee back there. And then when you get it back, your finger is going to have a little material on it. Surround the finger and wipe it off. And you pull the material off and it remains inside this. Now, if you're anything like me, you've probably got some issues with cleanliness under your fingernails. And that's what this last little piece is for here. You take that, you clean under your fingernail. If you're able to observe this rationing technique, you can make this single package of toilet paper last 35 years.